Hi there. Today we're exploring the Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit, perfect for watering up to 15 indoor houseplants. This system features a digital programmable water timer that lets you set custom watering schedules with an internal clock. It delivers water directly to the roots, saving up to 70% water compared to traditional methods. The slow, controlled watering helps prevent overwatering and root rot by allowing soil to absorb water gradually. Installation is quick and easy, taking just 15 minutes with all parts and instructions included. You can adjust drip lines and emitters to fit your plants' specific needs for a personalized setup. Just remember to position the water source properly to avoid siphoning and leaks when the timer is off. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.